If you're already a fan of ALASTIN Skin Nectar, then this is the natural next step. I'm Chrissy, Director of Product Operations here at Lovely Skin, and I'm so excited to talk to you today about the evolution of one of our favorite pre- and post-procedure skincare products, ALASTIN Regenerating Skin Nectar. ALASTIN has taken their iconic formula and added to it with something called TriHex Plus. So what's the difference? The original formula is built on something called TriHex Technology, a patented blend of peptides that helps support the skin's ability to produce new collagen and elastin. When used with treatments like lasers, microneedling, and chemical peels, it reduces recovery time and enhances the outcome of your results. This new formula takes that foundation and builds on it with a proprietary peptide called octapeptide 45. This peptide helps amplify your skin's production of high molecular weight hyaluronic acid, the type that provides deep hydration and helps your skin withstand stress. It also supports visibly stronger, higher quality elastin fibers, which gives skin its structure. The result is skin that's more resilient and better able to tolerate heat, pressure, and mechanical stress that come with energy-based procedures like lasers. What that translates to is deeper hydration, stronger skin resilience, and visibly accelerated healing, including improvements in redness, swelling, and crusting. In clinical studies, 100% of patients had improved skin barrier function and recovery, and hydration was up 29% at day 14. It's the only product with preconditioning clinical data, meaning it works even before your treatment. So you can use it 2 times a day for 2 weeks to help prep skin and optimize your results. But you can also use it as a daily anti-aging product to support collagen, elastin, and hyaluronic acid production for healthier, more hydrated, youthful-looking skin. If you're already a fan of ALASTIN Skin Nectar, then this is the natural next step. And if you haven't tried it before, there's never been a better time to start. Thank you, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!